Welcome back to Dealmaker's Den, where we decode the real power plays behind global headlines. Today, we're diving into the 2025 economic battlefield, where trade wars, tariffs, and geopolitical maneuvers shape the world's future. Trump's tariff blitz. In April 2025, President Trump announced a groundbreaking tariff campaign. The plan includes a minimum 10% tariff on all U.S. imports and sharply targets Chinese goods with tariffs as steep as 145%. Additionally, automobiles and parts from Canada and Mexico face a 25% increase. These strategic tariffs are designed to shield American industries while pushing global trade partners toward fairer agreements. However, this move has driven up costs for U.S. manufacturers and consumers, a result of the heavy reliance on imported goods. Impact on the U.S. dollar. While the tariffs aim to boost homegrown production, they induce inflationary pressures, which might erode the U.S. dollar's international purchasing power. Increased import costs are likely to translate into higher consumer prices, potentially straining the dollar's global strength. Military tensions in the South China Sea. Meanwhile, military tension escalates in the South China Sea. The U.S. has bolstered its military presence to counter China's assertive territorial claims. In turn, China's military exercises intensify, fueling the possibility of greater conflict in this contested region. The bigger picture. Trump's aggressive economic policies and assertive military stance underline a strategic play to reinforce U.S. influence worldwide. But these strategies aren't without peril. Economic retaliation looms, and diplomatic relationships with allies and foes are tested. Moreover, uncontrolled military skirmishes pose a real danger. In the high-stakes global play of trade and power, examining the delicate balance between policies, dollar strength, and geopolitical threats is essential. This is Dealmaker's Den, not just observing the game, but breaking down the moves.